welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new video for review. And today's video we are going to review the Nestle A+ Slim Milk. So guys, this is a skim milk from Nestle. The company here is Nestle and it's called the Nestle A+ Slim Milk. It's a fat-free milk and it's nothing but skim milk right now from Nestle here. And today we are going to review this product. So let's start off with the packaging of the product. It comes packaged in this nice carton here, and right on top we can see the Nestle A+ branding right on top here, and then it says Slim. As we know, milk is a natural source of calcium and protein. This milk goes through 61 quality checks. It's a fat-free milk. Every serve, that is one glass, which is around 200 ml, contains just 0.4 grams of fat, right? And now you might be confused, like, why am I saying it contains 0.4 grams of fat, which is 1% fat, but the label says fat-free milk. So if you are like generally seen toned milk or full milk, you will see the fat layer on top which comes up when you boil the milk, right? You will not find that same fat layer coming up in the milk, because this is fat-free milk, so you will not find a layer of fat or malai that we call on this milk, right? So that is why it's called fat-free milk. Moving on, here we can see the nutrition facts given here on the Nestle A+ milk. So people who are on dieting and stuff, who want to lose weight, this is something they should replace their regular toned or full milk with, because this will help them consume lesser calories and lesser fat content at the same time. Now coming to the nutrition value here, so the nutrition values are given right here on the pack, you can see here. So every 100 ml serving of it gives you just 34 calories, right? Of which fat is just 0.2 grams, so 0.2 grams of fat. Proteins is 3 grams, carbohydrates are 5 grams, fiber is 0, fat is 0.2 grams, sodium is 50 milligrams, calcium is 98 milligrams, it's really high in calcium, right? And one glass of this milk, which is 200 ml, provides for 33% of your daily requirement of calcium. So moving on, coming to the shelf life of this milk, the shelf life is 180 days, which is 6 months. So the shelf life is nice, 6 months here, and it comes in this nicely packaged box, right? So it keeps the milk fresh. Another good part of this is you don't need to boil the milk, you can directly consume the milk from the carton itself. So right here you can see it comes 100% protection against adulteration, 6-layer protection, tamper evident, can be consumed straight from the pack, no need of boiling the milk. You need to store it in a cool, dry and hygienic place. Once opened, refrigerate between 4 degrees and 8 degrees and consume within 2 days. So once you open the pack, you need to consume it within 2 days. But if you haven't opened the pack, you can store it for as much as 180 days from the manufacturing date or packaging date. Do not buy if the pack is puffed. This is UHT Treated Skimmed Milk, right? Ingredients are skimmed milk. Going on. Now coming to the net quantity, this net volume is 1 liter. Right, and the MRP of the Nestle Slim Milk is rupees 89 for a liter. So yes, a bit of a premium price, but definitely worth the investment. So guys, this was my review about the Nestle Slim Milk. Now let's go. Nestle Skim Milk. So let's go ahead and quickly open the pack and quickly do a taste test and see how does the skim milk look. So guys, let's go ahead and quickly cut open the milk packet. So you just need to pick this side up here, and then you all can just cut it open from here from one side. That's what we are going to do. We are just going to cut it open, and here a milk carton is open. And now let's pour the milk into a mug. So here I poured the milk into the mug. I'll just show it to y'all. This is how it looks. So you all can see there's no fat content in the milk at all visible, right? So that's why it's called a fat-free milk. It has the white color of the milk, definitely because it's milk. Only difference between toned milk and the skimmed milk is that the fat content is much lower than a skimmed milk. I mean the toned milk. Now when it comes to taste, let's go ahead and do a taste test of the Nestle A Plus Slim Milk. Taste wise it is similar. If you are used to having toned milk or full fat milk, definitely you will not get that creamier taste of milk from it. Feel more waterish kind of a thing. But then at the end, this is what skim milk is supposed to be, right? So it will be as close to water with the nutrients of the milk like calcium and proteins that it can provide you. So yeah, flavor wise definitely not the best tasting as a full fat milk could be or a toned milk could be, but definitely it tastes like milk without the fat content on it or the creaminess of it. So guys, this was my review about the Nestle A Plus milk, and definitely if you all are dieting and if you are looking to lose weight, then go ahead and replace your normal toned milk or your full fat milk with the Nestle A Plus Slim Milk. It will definitely help you all to consume lesser calories. Okay, if you all are looking to buy the Nestle A Plus milk, it is available on Amazon Pantry. You can buy it from there. And if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.